250 micron fiber. We will be using an Optronics core alignment fusion splicer, precision cleave tool, then we will need some cleaning fluid and lint-free wipes, which we will take from our Optronics cleaning kit. Cleaning the fiber is a very important part of the splicing process. We need our buffer strippers for removing the 900 and 250 micron buffers, a sin bin for the fiber scraps, some splice protectors to protect the exposed fiber, and a pigtail and some 250 micron fiber. Remove the pigtail from its plastic bag. Open the cleave tool, ready to receive the fiber, making sure the cleave wheel carriage is positioned to the front. Turn the fusion splicer on. Then, using the menu keys and the cursor buttons, we select the fiber program we require. Select Program, Fiber type, in this instance single mode, and then exit to the main screen. We now take a splice protector and place it on the pigtail. This needs to be done prior to any buffer stripping, cleaning or cleaving to ensure we don't damage the fiber after the process. Taking the buffer strippers, remove the 900 micron buffer from the pigtail and then remove the 250 micron so that we are left with the 125 cladding. We now need to clean the fiber to remove any dirt and grease residues that may be on the end of the fiber. Put some fluid onto the lint-free wipe and pinching the fiber between our fingers, we clean until we hear a squeak. Place the fiber in the cleave tool, close the fiber holder to secure the fiber in place, close the clamp which holds the fiber across the cleave wheel, push the cleave wheel carriage to the rear slowly and steadily to produce a good cleave. Locate the cut sprig of fiber and place in the sin bin to keep the working environment safe. Open the fiber holder and remove the fiber. Shield, open the fiber clamps and place the fiber slightly to one side of the electrodes. Shut the clamp to hold the fiber in. We now need to reset the cleave tool and repeat the process with the 250 micron fiber. Once the fiber has been cleaved, it is very delicate, so great care should be taken to ensure the end is not stubbed at any point whilst loading it into the splice machine. The trick to getting a good splice is having a very good cleave angle. Once both fibers are loaded in the splicer, shut the windshield and ensure that the fibers aren't restricted in any. Press the green start button. The splicer will now bring the fibers together, looking at both X and Y axis. It will align the cores and then fuse them together. Once the splice has been complete, an estimated loss is displayed on the screen. Lift the windshield and a tension test will be carried out to check the strength of the splice. Open the heat oven and move the splice protector close to the clamps. Lift the fiber clamps and carefully remove the fiber. Place the splice protector so the exposed area of fiber is in the middle. Place in the oven, closing the lid last, which applies tension to the fiber. Press the yellow heat button. Whilst the splice protector is shrinking, we can repeat the splicing process. The red light goes out after about 50 seconds and the process is complete. Remove the fiber from the oven, checking the integrity of the splice protector, then place on the tray at the rear of the splicer to cool down. The process is now complete.